left something behind exercise. We'll just let Grandma go first.
Is that how slow I go?
No. You're a little bit more zippy than that.
Okay, great.
Yeah. No. You definitely don't drive like Grandma. But there's some people who do though, because they're really scared, but not you. Alright. Nice. Get ready. Here we go. Look behind you. Oopsie. Stop. No, turn the back window. The back window. That's it. That's a perfect back. So just 1 centimeter. Lock your wheel really quickly.
Okay, which way am I turning my wheel? This way?
Yes.
Okay.
Bring your left hand higher. That's it. Take your foot off the brakes. Turn. Nice. Great. And if you drive, hang on. Milo. Mirror. Oops. No. Yep. Okay. Yep. And we probably forgot to indicate. We see the second turn around, and we'll just use that cul-de-sac there. Just indicate right will do. Just the right indicators. Yes, good. Nice right indicators. Good. And throw in the blind spot, of course. Good, that's it. Cars could be going to the driveway, cyclists in cycle tracks or whatever.
All kids.
All kids running around because it's school holiday. Yeah. Good, let's use mirrors. Well done. The guy behind you will get really annoyed at you.
Why? Because I didn't.
Yeah.